So guys, for the first method, you want to change the date and time manually. So you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to find set time zone automatically. You want to turn this off. Once that's been turned off, you want to click on change. You want to set the date and time manually. So click right here and then just set the date and time. And then click on change. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find Windows time. Here it is. You want to find Windows time. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on OK. Double click on it again and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows time service. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Once you run this, set the view by to category. Then you want to select clock and region. And then select date and time. Once this comes up, go to internet time and then click on change settings. You can try both of these options right here. So click on the drop down, try timewindows.com, update now, see if that works. If that doesn't work, then try timelist.gov, click on update now, see if that works. For the last method, you want to restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, come back into Windows and then go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. Once we're here, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. See if that works.